Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple and fun feature on Discord, creating a poll right from your Android device. Whether you're gathering opinions or just looking to spark some fun discussions in your server, polls are a great way to engage your community. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the server where you want to create your poll. It's as easy as tapping on the server name. Next, look for the plus icon located in the text field at the bottom of your screen. Give that little guy a tap. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Poll. Now it's time to make it interesting. Enter your poll question and the possible answers. Remember, you can add up to 10 options for your community to choose from, so get creative. After that, you'll need to decide how long you want your poll to be open. You can choose from durations like 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, or even 1 week. Pick what suits your needs best. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, tap Post to send your poll to the server. And just like that, your poll is live. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your first poll today.